अमल करो ऐसा अमन में, जहां से गुजरे तुम्हारी नजरें वहां से तुम्हें सलाम है। आज शरद राव जी का जीवन देखते हुए लगता है कि जहां भी उनकी नजर गुजरेगी सब दूर से उनको सलाम आएगी।
मेरे जीवन के कई साल किसानों की समस्या पर ध्यान देने के लिए गए और मुझे खुशी है 2 साल पहले चावल का एक्सपोर्ट करने वाला देश का दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा देश भारत बना। गेहूं, चीनी और कपास इसकी निर्यात करने वाला दुनिया का 2 क्रमांक का देश भारत बन गया। ये सब उपलब्धि थी इस मिट्टी पर ध्यान देने वाला किसान की मेहनत और पसीना से इस देश में हो गई और इसलिए मुझे इस बात का बड़ा संतोष है।
He was, of course, Chief Minister of Maharashtra 4 times, and he is still remembered for his leadership then and his effective administration. No one else could have been in that crucial position for such a long time. He was a natural choice. In fact, he was the only choice.
I have always been greatly impressed with Shri Sharad Pawar's deep interest in developmental issues and his zeal for the modernization, expansion and development of the Indian economy. In 2004, when the UPA government came to power, I had the privilege of working with Shri Pawar as a very dynamic agricultural minister of our country. Shri Sharad Pawar, who has been elected as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra 4 times, has made a powerful contribution to the development of Maharashtra, paying particular attention to the development of cooperatives, agriculture and industry. He is also deeply committed to promoting social justice and equity by paying particular attention to the development of both health and education.
करीब करीब 5 दशक से ज्यादा अखंड एक निष्ठ साधना। शरद राव रचनात्मक कामों की कोख से पैदा हुए राजनेता है। वे जब ऊंचाइयों पर थे, हम तो किसी गली मोहल्ले में गुजारा करते थे। अमल करो ऐसा अमन में, जहां से गुजरे तुम्हारी नजरें वहां से तुम्हें सलाम है। आज शरद राव जी का जीवन देखते हुए लगता है कि जहां भी उनकी नजर गुजरेगी सब दूर से उनको सलाम आएगी।
No matter how difficult a question might be, how tricky may be the nuances, he has always responded to it.
This is one such occasion, whether it is on the platform or it is in the audience, I find the entire cross-sections of Indian political opinion represented here. I thank Sharad Pawar ji for providing an opportunity to all of us on his 75th birthday. And without any wastage of time, he brought back normalcy in the economic nerve center of India, which was appreciated by ever critical media, and they particularly choose a phrase which still I remember, Salam Bombay. Salam Sharad Pawar ji. Many more happy returns of the day.